Today, I'm going to show you the hottest new AI tool that just dropped, and it's absolutely insane. This thing builds entire AI systems without any coding. I'm talking drag and drop workflows that can automate your whole business. It's completely free and open source. And the best part, you can have it running in under 10 minutes. This could be a game changer for how entrepreneurs work, and I can't wait to show you how. Hey there, if we haven't met yet, I'm the AI-powered avatar of Nick Ponte, the guy behind Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, Mina Marketing. While the real Nick is out closing deals and scaling businesses, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, grab my 4-part AI fast track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. Look, I've been testing business automation tools for years. I've tried everything, but what I'm about to show you is different. It's called Sim.ai, and it's about to flip the script on how you run your business. Here's what most people don't get. You're probably spending hours every day on tasks that AI could do in minutes: customer support, research, data entry, content creation, all of it. But here's the problem. Most AI tools are either too complicated or too basic. You need a computer science degree to use them, or they can only do one simple thing. Sim.ai solves this. Think of it like building with Lego blocks, but instead of plastic bricks, you're using AI agents. You drag them onto a canvas, you connect them together, and boom. You've got a system that works 24/7 without you. Let me show you what this looks like. You start with a blank canvas. It looks just like Figma if you've ever used that. Then you drag in your first block. Maybe it's a customer email that comes in. Then you add an AI agent block that reads the email. Then you add another block that writes a response. Connect them all together and you're done. The whole thing takes 5 minutes to build. But here's where it gets crazy. You can connect this to over 100 different apps. Gmail, Notion, your CRM, your calendar, everything talks to everything else, and the AI copilot helps you build it. You just tell it what you want in plain English, and it creates the whole workflow for you. I tested this with my own agency. We built a system that takes client inquiries, qualifies them, books meetings, and sends follow-up emails, all automatically. It's like having a full-time employee that never sleeps, never gets sick, and never asks for a raise. And get this, it works with all the major AI models. But here's the kicker. You can also run everything locally on your own computer. No monthly fees, complete privacy. Your data never leaves your machine. If you're finding this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe. The real Nick reads every comment, so drop your thoughts below. And if you want to scale your business faster, grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. Links in the description. Now let me tell you why this matters for your business. Time is valuable. Every hour spent on manual tasks is time you could spend on higher value activities. Every process you don't automate is opportunity walking out the door. Personally, I think most business owners are doing this backwards. They're trying to hire more people to solve their problems. But what if I told you the answer isn't more employees, it's smarter systems? Here's what I mean. Let's say you run a service business. Every day you get emails from potential clients. Someone has to read them, qualify them, send a response, schedule a call, send reminders, follow up if they don't show. That's like 6 different steps. Most businesses need a whole person just to handle this. With Sim.ai, you build this once and it runs consistently. The system reads the email, uses AI to figure out if they're a good fit, writes a personalized response, books the meeting, sends confirmations, and follows up automatically, all without you touching it. But wait, it gets better. You can teach the system your exact sales process, the questions you ask, how you qualify leads, your pricing structure, everything. So it's not just any response, it responds just as you would, like you cloned yourself and made 10 copies. I built something similar for content creation. Feed it a topic, and it researches everything online, pulls data from multiple sources, writes the content, checks it for accuracy, and formats it perfectly. What used to take me 3 hours now takes 10 minutes. And here's something most people miss. You can layer these systems on top of each other. So your lead qualification system feeds into your project management system, which feeds into your billing system, which feeds into your customer success system. It's like dominoes. One thing triggers the next. The crazy part is how visual everything is. You can see your entire business flow on one screen, where leads come from, how they move through your system, where they get stuck, where they convert. It's like having X-ray vision for your business. Remember I mentioned it's open source? That means it's free forever. No monthly fees eating into your profits, no limits on how many workflows you can build, no restrictions on how much you can automate. You own the whole thing. And the community around this tool is insane. Over 20,000 developers are already building with it. They're sharing templates, solving problems together, creating integrations with new tools every week. It's like having a whole team of engineers working for you for free. But let me get specific about how this helps your business operations, because that's what really matters, right? Let's start with customer support. Most businesses spend thousands every month on support staff, or they use those expensive chatbot services that charge per conversation. With Sim.ai, you build your own support system. It connects to your knowledge base, answers common questions instantly, escalates complex issues to humans, and learns from every interaction. The platform lets you integrate with over 100 popular services: Gmail, Notion, your CRM systems, GitHub, REST APIs, everything connects together. So your support flows directly into your existing tools. Here's another big one: research and content creation. The system can process information from multiple sources, search the web, pull data from APIs, generate reports automatically. What used to take hours of manual research now happens in minutes. Sim.ai supports all the major AI models: OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. But here's the kicker: you can also run local models through Llama. That means zero API costs, complete privacy, and your system works even without internet. The visual workflow builder is like having a map of your entire business process. You can see exactly where leads come from, how they move through your system, where bottlenecks happen, where conversions occur. It's complete visibility into your operations. And since it's open source, there are no monthly fees eating your profits, no limits on workflows, no restrictions on automation. You own the whole system. Compare that to enterprise automation tools that charge thousands per month. The AI Copilot feature speeds up everything. You describe what you want in plain English. The system builds the workflow structure for you. Then you just customize it to fit your exact process. Multi-agent systems let you chain different AI models together. One agent handles research, another writes content, a third fact-checks everything. They all work together like a virtual team. The platform handles complex routing and error management. So if one part of your workflow hits a problem, the whole system doesn't crash. It logs errors and keeps running on the parts that work. The real power comes from how you layer these systems together. Think about your business as a series of connected processes. Lead comes in, gets qualified, meeting gets booked, proposal gets sent, deal gets closed, customer gets onboarded. Each step can trigger the next one automatically. Most business owners are stuck doing everything manually. They check emails, update spreadsheets, send follow-ups, schedule calls, write proposals. It's like being trapped in an endless loop of busy work. Sim.ai breaks that cycle. You build your workflows once, and they run consistently. The system never forgets to follow up, never misses a lead, never makes a scheduling mistake. It's like having a perfect employee that works 24/7. And here's what most people don't realize: small automations add up to massive time savings. Save 30 minutes on lead qualification, another hour on research, 2 hours on content creation. That's almost 4 hours back in your day, every single day. The documentation makes getting started simple. They have tutorials, quick start guides, step-by-step walkthroughs. Plus, the GitHub community is constantly sharing new templates and integrations. You're not building from scratch. Real-time collaboration means your whole team can work on workflows together. Just like Google Docs, but for business automation, someone can start building a process and others can jump in and help finish it. The infinite canvas design lets you build workflows as simple or complex as you need. Start with basic email responses, then add lead scoring, then integrate your calendar, then connect your payment system. You grow the complexity as your business grows. Here's something huge: the platform supports semantic search and vector databases. That means your AI agents get smarter over time. They remember past conversations, learn from customer interactions, build up knowledge about your specific business. And because everything runs on open source technology, you're not locked into any vendor. No bait and switch pricing, no features getting taken away, no company deciding to shut down and killing your automations. The local model support is perfect for businesses that handle sensitive data, financial information, medical records, legal documents. Everything stays on your servers. Complete control and privacy. Look, most business owners are working in their business instead of on their business. They're stuck handling tasks that a smart system could do better. Sim.ai gives you that system, and it gives it to you for free. This isn't some complicated enterprise software that takes months to implement. You can have your first workflow running today. Start small, pick one process, automate it, then build from there. You can build systems that operate consistently, running processes automatically even when you're not working, qualifying leads when you're focused on other priorities, growing your business more systematically. If you want to learn how to leverage AI tools like this to build and scale your business faster, grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. I go deep into how to get higher paying AI subscription-based clients. Plus, I'll give you access to a free 30-day trial of the best AI software tool that I use to get clients and run my business. You'll also get access to my community with over 21,000 other AI agency owners who are implementing these exact strategies. The link is in the description and in the comments below. Hit that like button if this was valuable, subscribe for more AI business hacks, and drop a comment below with what process you want to automate first. The real Nick reads every single one, and he might just feature your question in the next video. That will do it for today. Now go build something amazing,